Gentlemen.
Alright everybody, once again, here is the move. And one more time. And for this move, you always want to be holding the safe handle. And the first step of this move is to swing the bite handle onto the back of your hand. So first step, swing the bite handle to the back of the hand. Second step, swing the bite handle down and back around, and at the same time putting your finger in between the knife and the safe handle. So once again, first move on the back of the hand, second move down and around with your finger in the middle, third move thumb at the back and flip up. So step 1, step 2, step 3. And once again, the move should look like this. And you know, just for fun, you can always add the stab on the end.
If you manage to kill them, I assure you they were not like me. If you manage to kill them, I assure you they were not like me.
Okay everybody, so here's the move. And for this move, you want to be starting in this position, and your first step is you want to come up like this with the bite handle. So first step, up like this. Second step, out like that again, and you're going to end up landing in the same position you started. And then to finish it off, you just simply throw the bite handle back up again. So step 1, step 2, and step 3. And it should look like this. And there you have it.
Right behind you.